welcome back to my channel if you're already subscribed to me. If you're new, hey, I'm so glad you stopped by to visit me today. Today I have a home video for you guys, and I feel like I haven't done one in quite a while. So I do a variety of videos here on my channel. I do home decor and housekeeping, homemaking. I also do homeschooling videos, weekly vlogs, tons of variety here on my channel. But I feel like lately I haven't done very many home type videos, and I really do enjoy making them, and I really enjoy watching them. And one of my favorite home channels to watch is Simply This Life. Candace is the genius behind the channel Simply This Life, and I have actually watched her channel since before she had a home channel. She was mostly beauty related stuff, and I loved her channel, and I loved her back then, and I love her channel, and I love her even more now. She has completely redefined her channel, and pretty much everything she does on her channel is all home related things. So decluttering and purging and organizing, and she's just such a breath of fresh air, and I love watching her. Her personality is infectious, and she always has the best tips for living a more minimal lifestyle, keeping your home decluttered, purging things, and just making your home a relaxing and non-chaotic place to be, which I think is really, really important. And so today, Candace and I have teamed up to share with you guys tips and tricks to simplify your home and your life. I personally have 5 tips to share with you guys today. I'm not really sure how many Candace is gonna have, but I know however many she has, they're going to be just gems of wisdom because she's just so smart and so inspirational and so motivational. So make sure when you get done watching my video that you head on over to her channel and check out her video today and also her other videos. I know you guys will love her. If you're coming to me from Candace's channel, hey, I'm so glad to have you here with me today. Lots of videos here on my channel. Hopefully you'll look around and you'll subscribe and become part of my YouTube channel family. So like I said, I have 5 tips today, 5 things that I do to simplify my home and my life. And so obviously I have way more tips than this, and if you guys like this video, I can definitely do more in the future. But today I'm focusing on just the top 5 things that I can think of off the top of my head that really make my life easier and make my home run more smoothly. The first thing I do to really help my life and my home to run more smoothly is to try to do as many things as possible on the same day or on the same schedule as possible. Things that you have to do maybe on a weekly or monthly basis that you tend to forget to do until it's like really bad or really built up or really needing to be done. So for example, I have an enzyme treatment that I do in our sink. I do that once a month, but I always do it on the 1st of the month because I remember, okay, it's the 1st of a new month. It's time to do the sink treatment. I don't have to think, did I do that this month, or what did I do it this month, or whatever. I already remember because I do it on the 1st every single month. Same thing with changing the air filters. I change those on the 1st of the month and flip the mattresses on the same day every single month. And I have a reminder set in my phone. I did that in the beginning, especially just while I was making it a habit that every 1st of a month I was going to do that. But now pretty much I don't even need that reminder because I know if it's the 1st, I'm going to go ahead and do those things and get them out of the way. And it's a lot easier for me to remember, and it's a lot less for me to have to think about. So try to think about those recurring things that maybe you need to do, probably not necessarily every week, but at least every few weeks or every month, like your dog's medication, maybe for heartworm, or things that you kind of time slips up on you and you forget about. If you do them the same time every month, it makes it a lot easier to remember. The second thing I do to make my home run a little bit more smoothly, especially when it comes to laundry, is having all white towels. We used to have towels for my husband and me, towels for the girls, and it was getting really like whose towels go in whose room and who's, where this towel goes, or it's just a lot easier if all the towels are the same color. I can just throw them all in the washer. I can throw a little bit of bleach if I want to whiten them up, but it's just so much easier to have all of the same color towels for everybody, for every bathroom in the house. It makes my life a lot easier, and it's just a simple little thing that you can do to make your laundry life easier. Plus, I think it looks nicer when you open up your linen closet. You have all of your towels stacked up nicely and they all match. Something else that I do, and I have done for years to make my life easier, and it saves me time and usually money, is to make sure that I have at least 2 of everything in my house that's kind of a disposable item that you're going to run out of. Things like maybe your eye makeup remover or your face lotion or deodorant, things like that that you're running through pretty quickly. Try to have at least 2 of each item on hand. That way when somebody runs out of something, we're not kind of in a panic like, I don't have any toothpaste, or I ran out of soap, or whatever it is. Having at least 2 of every item on hand doesn't take up a whole lot of room, but it will save you a lot of time and effort and even money if you're not having to make last minute trips to the store to pick up something that you ran out of. Now in my case, my old extreme couponer days kind of have are still lingering in my house, and I have the space to do it. So I have a lot more than 2 of everything kind of in what I call overstock. And our master closet is what we use for also our linen closet because our bathroom doesn't have a linen closet. So I have multiple items that I've gotten on sale with coupons, with rebates and things like that. And I keep them in each bin so I know where they are. They're organized, and everybody has at least 2 of every item that we might run out of. My next tip for simplifying your home and your life in regard to cleaning is having multiple vacuum cleaners. I think it's really useful to have at least 1 vacuum on every level of your home. And I like to have several different types of vacuums so that no matter what cleaning job I'm doing, I have a vacuum for that purpose. Now, obviously, whatever space you have to work with to keep a vacuum is going to be a factor, but especially if you have a 2-story home or more, it really is going to be in your best interest, if you can at all afford it and have the room for it, to have a vacuum on each level. You're going to make less excuses when it comes time to vacuum of, oh, I don't want to drag that vacuum upstairs or downstairs. You've already got one on each level. It also makes it nice if you have several different types of vacuums. So I have 3 upright vacuums, I have 2 stick vacuums, and I have a handheld vacuum. So they're for all different purposes. An example is vacuuming the stairs. That is a job that needs to be done at least once a week, but it's something nobody wanted to do, and we were putting it off because it was so annoying to get the big upright vacuum out and put the attachment on and like lug the vacuum down the stairs and like go up and down. So I got a handheld vacuum that is battery operated, that is perfect for vacuuming stairs, and it makes it a lot easier to get things clean and keep them clean when you have different types of vacuums for different cleaning jobs and different vacuums for different levels or areas of your home. It also makes it nice if you have a smaller vacuum that your kids can use. It's a lot easier for them to help out with chores when there's maybe not this big giant bulky vacuum they have to carry around. If they have one that's on the level they're on or that's a little bit smaller for them, it really helps to get your kids active and involved in helping around the house. So highly recommend multiple vacuums and also different types of vacuums. It makes cleaning your house a lot easier. My last tip for simplifying your home and your life is to focus on digital clutter whenever possible. We could talk about pictures and videos all day long because I know those are like a never-ending thing to keep up with. They are really hard to keep up with. But in this case, I'm talking about things that are coming to you through your inbox. Maybe there's something you subscribed to a million years ago to get a free coupon, or maybe there's something you subscribed to thinking you were going to read a certain blog or follow a certain company, and then you didn't really want to anymore, but you never took the time to unsubscribe. It's just a lot faster to hit erase. But guess what? As long as you're on their subscription list, they're going to keep sending you emails every day, every week, every month, over and over and over. And so even though it takes a little bit longer in the beginning to go all the way down to that email and hit unsubscribe, in the long run, the more you do that, you're going to be saving yourself so much time from not having emails coming in every single day that you just have to erase and erase and erase over and over again. Try to break the habit of just erasing an email when it comes into your inbox and you're not interested in it. Try to remember to take that extra time, you know, even if it's just a couple different ones per day or per week that you actually unsubscribe for. It's a nice feeling when you get to the point where you log into your email every day and you're not seeing just a bunch of junk from a bunch of companies that you don't even know maybe how you got subscribed to or you're not interested in anymore. You're getting that stuff out of your life. We are all too busy to have things coming in that we really don't want to see or aren't interested in. So make sure you think about that the next time you get an email from a company that you are not interested in. Go ahead and unsubscribe instead of just hitting delete. So those are my 5 tips for how to simplify and streamline your home and your life. I really hope they were helpful. They're pretty simple. They're pretty obvious, but sometimes it's the most simple things that we tend not to do. But they really do help and make a big difference when it comes to streamlining your home and how you care for your home and how you get things done and how you be productive. So I really hope they were helpful. If it was, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to head on over to Candace's channel, Simply This Life. I can only imagine how good her tips are going to be. She's always so helpful and has taught me so much over the years. I know you guys will love her. Please leave me a comment and let me know what are some things that you do in your home to simplify your life, simplify your day-to-day, because I know we all need it. Life can be so overwhelming and there's a million different things coming to us from a million different directions, and sometimes it can be really hard to focus on what we need to get done and what we should get done because of all the extra stuff that's going on. So I would love to hear your guys' comments of ways that you simplify your home and your life. If you care to share, and leave it in the comments. Make sure you subscribe before you head out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.